big day. We got us a big trackhoe to float around today. So oversized loads only. We got the Escort coming. What do you think, Thor? Is the Escort gonna be on time?
Yeah.
Well, we got her loaded. Thor got the tape out to make sure we weren't gonna drag any lines down. Now we just gotta get the oversized banner and flags out and see if the old haul truck can move it. All right, we got the pits cleaned out. That's what you call a full load. Heaviest load this trailer's ever seen. I don't know if she'll make it. We about got duals touching. We're gonna take her nice and easy. She's feeling it. What do you think?
She's a little tired of screaming.
Yeah, we'll give her hell. Okay, we made it. We're at the back of the property down here where we've been piling brush and concrete and all that shit. We're gonna pull all the shell out right here. Strip the topsoil, pull the shell out for the house pad, doze all this shit in there, and then strip back over it. So all this shit's gonna go in there too. It would work out okay for the topsoil operation, except for there's a bunch of roofing nails and shit like that in here. So not gonna do us any good. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try to dump it and try not to get covered. My shovel was a casualty on this one. What do you think, Thor? Another day.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, the dog's down there.
Now he's over here.
Okay, cool. Here we go. I don't know if I'm heavy enough.